Make a great choice today with the 2022 Wagoneer. The Jeep Wagoneer was the first 4x4 luxury truck offered. The Wagoneer was an SUV before the acronyms even existed. This 4x4 was designed with a revolutionary engine that allowed it to have power steering and an automatic transmission years before competitors could do the same. But it was the luxury that set this 4x4 apart. So if you want comfort, reliability, and outstanding ability, the Jeep Wagoneer is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, headlights auto off. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.